How's it going, guys? Thought I'd do a value pack for just the hell of it. So I have extra Microsoft points. Why not? Let's open some up. All right, far right, Giroux. And then if you guys are interested in any players, trade them. I'll trade them away or something if it's worth it. And sorry for the low quality of videos. It's just video recording on my iPhone right now, so whatever. Let this load. Come on. And of course nothing. Thanks for that, EA. Alright, Yadimir Yager. Alright, decent, I guess. Trade him away. And basically nothing. So, let me know if you guys are interested in any of these shitty players, I guess. And I'll get back to you soon.